Hello everyone, welcome back to the session. So guys, this is a complete free course, complete reasoning ability course for the students who are going to appear for Maharashtra CET and any other MBACET exams. We have covered two topics till now. One is coding decoding and one is blood relation. I'm going to start with abstract reasoning. As you know, in Maharashtra CET, we have a separate section of abstract reasoning section, guys, right? Abstract reasoning section, guys, right? Okay. So guys, abstract reasoning के questions हम करने वाले हैं, right? Am I audible to all of you guys? आवाज clear है? This is the section that we will be doing today. We will be learning all the shortcut methods and tricks and types of abstract reasoning questions. You will be getting around total 25 questions of abstract reasoning, and there are different type of questions of abstract reasoning. It can be analogy based, it can be a missing figure in the series of pictures that are given to you. You might have to find out a particular picture once that follows a particular pattern given to you. There can be questions of paper folding, paper cutting, cube coloring, or dice based questions in abstract reasoning. So we will be covering all those types. Today is just a first session that I'm going to take for all of you, and I will be giving you some standard type of question of abstract reasoning. There are 5 to 6 sessions in which we'll be covering the whole abstract reasoning part for your MBACET exam, guys, right? So in the session today, I'm going to discuss total 10 questions with you on abstract reasoning, right? So this is the whole syllabus of reasoning ability that we will be covering for MBACET and other MBACET exam. Blood relation, coding decoding, one lecture on both has already been done. You guys can check on the recording part, right? I'm also going to cover the whole quant for MBACET, but that will be happening in Unacademy special classes. In the description part of the video, you will be having a link of my profile which will take you to Unacademy, and you guys can check all those videos, all those special classes which I'm taking for quant. Till now, I have taken 8 episodes of quantitative aptitude. I will give you the links of all of these episodes in the description part of the video, guys, right? You'll find all the links after the session. And secondly, there's also a separate WhatsApp group that we have made for MBACET exam preparation. There also you'll find the compiled link of all the quant and reasoning ability session, guys. So I'm going to pick today abstract reasoning, guys. So this is the topic I'll be picking today for you, right? As most of you have requested for the abstract reasoning, because this is one separate section of MBACET. Guys, let's have a look at the questions that we are going to do today. These are all types of questions, right, of abstract reasoning that we'll be covering. Question number 1, 2, 3, all these types are what we are going to do today. And abstract reasoning is all about covering all the possible type of questions, guys, right? So these are the questions we will be practicing, guys, today. Now, starting with question number 1. I have personally observed that in many questions of abstract reasoning, right, which are, the picture-based question, which have picture-based questions, there are 2 or 3 concepts which are used widely. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा use होते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा number of questions में you'll be finding these 2 or 3 concepts. One is water image and the mirror image of the figure, right? Water image, mirror image, and third is a rotation. And rotation can be clockwise, anti-clockwise. It can be by a 90-degree clockwise rotation or 90-degree anti-clockwise, or it can be even 45-degree clockwise rotation, right? So you should know first, right, how to make a mirror image and the water image of a figure, guys. I'll give you the basic idea. I'll be taking a separate session of water image and mirror image and paper folding and paper cutting, also the counting of figures. But just to give you a basic idea, guys, the meaning of mirror image, whenever I want to find out the mirror image of something, right? Please listen carefully here. Do the question later after listening to this concept. This will help you a lot. If I want to find out the mirror image, right, you need to know this. Whenever a particular shape or letter or word, right, or any object, right, if you try to find out the mirror image of any object, the left becomes right and the right becomes left. For example, when you see yourself in the mirror, your left hand comes on the right hand side and your right hand side comes on the left hand side, right? So that's a standard rule. Whenever I'm making a mirror image, the left becomes right and the right becomes left, right? So left and right interchange. Top and bottom remain same, right? Because when I see myself in the mirror, it doesn't mean that I'm watching my head on the bottom part, no, right? Head remains at the head position only, right? But the left becomes right and the right becomes left. That's a standard rule of a mirror image. For example, if I ask you to find out the mirror image of the letter C. Now you see that this is the left part of, this is the right part of C, and this is the left part of C. If I find out the mirror image of it, the right becomes left and the left becomes right. So this is going to be the mirror image of C, guys, right? If I ask you to find out the mirror image of the letter D, you can see that this is the right, this is the left of D. So the mirror image of this will be like this, right? The right becomes left and the left becomes right. But the top remains top, the bottom remains bottom, right? If I ask you to find out the mirror image of this object, if I ask you to find out the mirror image of this object, guys, right? Let's say this is the filled part. Now this object, you see that this is the right part of the object, this is the left part of the object. When I find out the mirror image of it, left becomes right and the right becomes left. So this filled part, which is on the right hand side in front of the mirror, when you will be looking at the mirror image of it, this filled part will come on the left side of the mirror, guys, right? That's a basic standard concept of mirror image that you should know. Everybody clear with this? Itna sabko aa gaya? Got it, guys? Any doubt in this? Do let me know in the comment section if you have any doubt in it, right? Similarly, when I talk about the water image, do not worry. I just want you for this today's session to know this much basic only. We will be having a separate session on water and mirror image figures, right? Today I'm going to do a series of questions, right? Where a series of pictures are given to you and you're supposed to find out the next part of the picture, right? Following the pattern of the series. So this is something that you should know, right? When I want to find out the water image, guys, when I look myself in the water, the left and the right remains on the same side, but the top goes to the bottom and bottom goes to the top, right? For example, when I see myself in the water, the picture in the water, the image in the water start from the foot, right? पैरों से आपका picture शुरू होता है. So top comes at the bottom end and the bottom comes at the top end, right? Bottom part goes to top part goes to bottom. That's a water image, right? If I ask you to find out the, let's say the water image of the letter A. Now this is top, this is the bottom part of A, right? The water image of this will be like this, right? Bottom becomes top and the top becomes bottom. This is going to be the water image, right? Any particular letter. Now, because when you're looking at the water image, you can see that it's like a horizontal mirror. When you're looking at the mirror image, it's like a vertical mirror, right? So water is nothing but a horizontal mirror, and this normal mirror is what we have a vertical mirror. इसका अगर vertical mirror में image देखना है, तो you see that left becomes right and right becomes left. It will be same as it is A, right? Any particular letter or object जिसको vertically cut करने से left और right में symmetrical figure आएगा, तो उसका mirror image as it is same बनेगा. For example, if you look at the letter A, if I cut the letter A from the right vertical line, right, एक vertical line से अगर बीच में cut करोगे, तो left और right part same है, तो इसलिए इसका mirror image as it is same बनने वाला है, right? For example, if I and any particular object जिसको horizontally cut करने से top and bottom part same रहेगा, तो उसका water image same बनेगा. For example, if I ask you to make a water image of the letter C का अगर मुझे water image बनाना है, you know that on cutting C horizontally, the top and the bottom part remains same. So C का water image will be same as C. It will not change. क्योंकि top और bottom दोनों same है. Left right change नहीं होता है water mirror के अंदर, right? Water image के अंदर. That's the main part in the water and mirror image, right? This is the basics of water and mirror image. In some of the questions today that we are going to discuss, we will be using this part. And the next part will be the rotation, which I'll be explaining to you along with the discussion of the questions. कि clockwise rotation या anti-clockwise rotation कैसे दिखना होता है. Now, these some basics figures are basic definitions, basic concepts are something which is very, very important and useful and help you getting the answers quickly. और वो pictures को रिकॉग्नाइज करने में भी आपकी बहुत हेल्प करेंगे. लुक एट इट गाइस. नाउ एब्स्ट्रैक्ट रीजनिंग के क्वेश्चंस का फंडा इज वेरी सिंपल, दैट यू ट्राई टू ऑब्जर्व अ पैटर्न इन द सीरीज हियर एंड देन यू लुक फॉर द प्रोबेबल आंसर. फॉलोइंग द पैटर्न from 1 to 5, you need to find out which will be the next figure. Would you like to try? Would you like to comment the answer of the question, guys? Come on, go for it. Give me the answer of the question in the comment section, guys. Try this. I'll wait for you. Tell me what will be the final answer. Correct. Now, if you know this concept of water and mirror image that I have just explained to you, you guys can look here that picture number 1 and picture number 4 both are exact mirror image of each other, guys. Yes or no? Sorry, not mirror image. It is the left is going right, right is going left. Yes. Yes, guys. This is the mirror image. Can you see that? Can you see that? Picture number 4 is a mirror image of picture number 1. Why? Because this square part is on the left hand side here, but it is coming on the right hand side here, right? This circle is on the right hand side here, right? But it is coming on the left hand side here. The filled part of the circle here, you can see is on the left side, but it is on the right side here. So can I say that picture number 4 is mirror image of picture number 1? Guys, can you see this? Can I say that? कि जो picture 4 है वो picture 1 का mirror image है. Mirror image में क्या होता है? I just told you, mirror image में left will become right and the right will become left. That's it. And water image में top will go to bottom and bottom will go to top. That's it. These are the only 2 points that you need to keep in your mind, and this will help you a lot. Now similarly, guys, 4 is a mirror image of 1. If you look at picture number 2 and picture number 5. You see that here? The filled part of the circle is on the left hand side and empty part is on the right hand side. Here, this comes on the left and this comes on the right. Can I say picture number 5 is a mirror image of picture number 2? Can I say that? Picture 5 जो है वो mirror, picture 1 का mirror image है. Are you guys with me? So similarly, using the same logic here, can I say picture 6 जो बनेगा वो picture 3 का mirror image बनेगा? So guys, ये picture 3 का mirror image बनाना है, तो ये circle जो होना चाहिए ये rectangle के left right में आना चाहिए. In which particular figure circle is on the right hand side of rectangle? So you see that all these options will be eliminated and I will be left with only option number A. So A is going to be the correct answer to the question. Are you guys with me? Everybody? Yes or no? Any doubt in this? Good. Now moving on to question number 2, guys. Now quickly solve the next question, guys. Come on, would you like to solve this question? Question number 2. What will be the answer of this one? Comment section में लिख के बताओ. See that, guys? What will be the answer of the question number 2 here? Come on, comment section में बताओ. You see that? This is an analogy based question. You need to find out the relationship between these two pictures, guys. इन दोनों pictures में आपको एक relation establish करना है. You see that here? If you look at the shape of this particular figure, right? ये दोनों figures को देखो आप. This was at the top of it, but now it is coming at the bottom part. So can I say that? Can I say that this figure is basically the water image of this figure? Can I say this, guys? ये जो figure है, ये इस figure का water image बनेगा. Why it would be the water image? Because इसका top वाला part bottom में जा रहा है, right? And bottom वाला part top में जा रहा है. And because E is a figure, E एक ऐसा letter है जिसको horizontally cut करने से top and bottom part same रहता है. तो only letter E का water image will be same as E. Am I right? E का water image will be same as E. It will not change, right? Why? Because when I cut horizontally, when I cut this object horizontally, जब आप इस letter को horizontally cut करते हो, तो top and bottom part remain same. Top और bottom में change नहीं आ रहा, तो इसका water image as it is बनेगा. ऐसे ही अगर मुझे O का water image बनाना हो, if I cut O horizontally, तो इसका top and bottom दोनों same है, तो इसका water image O ही बनेगा, as it is same बनेगा, right? So E का water image as it is E, और ये जो top में था ये bottom में चला गया object के, तो that can I say that this is the water image of this. And you can also clearly look at this one, guys. You see that ये जो part है, ये वाला part जो है, this was at the top of it, but now it is at the bottom of it, right? So can I say that? और ये पूरा का पूरा figure, right? See that M जो letter है, right? इसका अगर मुझे water image बनाना है, तो ये top part है, ये bottom है, तो bottom top में जाएगा, तो इसका water image ऐसा बनेगा, right? Like this. So this is also the water image of it. So basically, picture 2, picture 1 का water image है, but they are also the shifting of elements to a different position. एलिमेंट जो है यहाँ पे यू सी दैट ये एलिमेंट 1 2 3 पोजीशन से क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में शिफ्ट हुआ, राइट? क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में, और ये 1 2 और 3 पोजीशन में क्लॉकवाइज रोटेट हुआ. सो गाइज, इसका अगर मुझे मिरर इमेज वाटर इमेज बनाना है, तो सबसे पहले ये बॉटम में जो सर्कल है, ये सर्कल इस शेप में आना चाहिए. सो लुक फॉर द ऑप्शन जिसमें बॉटम ऊपर की तरफ है, ये सर्कल ऊपर की तरफ है, सभी ऑप्शंस में ही है. एंड ये जो चेक का साइन है बच्चों, दिस इज द टॉप पार्ट ऑफ इट, दिस इज द बॉटम पार्ट ऑफ इट. तो जब इसका वाटर इमेज बनेगा तो इसकी शेप ऐसे बननी चाहिए, राइट? बॉटम विल गो टू द टॉप एंड टॉप विल कम टू द बॉटम. सो यू सी दैट इसके बेसिस पे आप ऑप्शन बी को एलिमिनेट कर सकते हो. ओके, बस सिर्फ एक ऑप्शन बी एलिमिनेट हो रहा है, बाकी सब के अंदर ये चेक साइन सेम वाटर इमेज सही है. Now what I need to see is a rotation, right? इसका अगर मुझे rotation देखना है, so this has to be shifted by 3 points on the left hand in the clockwise direction. 1 2 3. ये जो है ये इस corner पे आना चाहिए, right? So this is eliminated, this is eliminated. Option A and C are left, and this should shift it 1 2 and 3 point here. ये यहाँ पे आना चाहिए. So option C is also eliminated. You will be going with option number A. So option A will be the right answer to the question, guys, right? Now let me take you to question number 3. Please comment what is the answer in the question number 3, guys. Go for it. I'll give you 1 minute to attempt it. This is a letter based, right? Right? What you need to see in this type of question, ये ऐसा question abstract reasoning है, इसमें pictures नहीं है, right? आपको letters का movement देखना है. क्या letters में कुछ change हो रहा है या letters में कुछ rotation हो रहा है? I guess in the first 2 figures you'll be able to see this. Tell me what will be the answer to the question number 3. Question number 3 का क्या आंसर आएगा? Go for it, guys. Yes, anybody else? Garak says C. Anybody else? Look at some specific letters which are getting rotated. You see that here? इसमें कुछ specific letters rotate हो रहे हैं, right? You need to see that in what way these are getting rotated. What is the pattern of rotation of the letters, guys? Come on, go for it. Picture number 1 से picture number 2 में you see that some specific letters are being rotated, right? What is the direction of the rotation, guys? What is the direction of the rotation? Serious. Look at it, guys. When I move from picture 1 to picture 2, I can see that letter A is being rotated, E is being rotated, U का भी rotation हुआ. Okay, that's it. So A, E, U, do you see some similarity? A, E, U are vowels, right? इसमें vowels का rotation हो रहा है. And then you see that this was a position of A in the first figure, और second figure में A का position is like this, right? Now see that if I draw a line which is passing through A in this figure, and if I draw a line which is passing through A from this figure, right? Which is cutting A from the middle. Then you see that both of these two lines comes at 90 degrees. So can I say the letter A has been rotated by an angle of 90 degree? And in what direction it has been rotated? You see that this is a clockwise. This is a anti-clockwise direction, right? This is an anti-clockwise direction. Everybody clear with this? Yes or no? सो 1 से 2 में वोवल का रोटेशन हुआ, 2 से 3 में यू कैन सी दैट letters other than vowels are getting rotated. 3 to 4 again vowel का rotation है, 4 to 5 consonant का rotation है. So can I say when I will be moving from 5 to 6 there will be a rotation of vowels. तो सिर्फ A, E और U का rotation होना चाहिए, बाकी किसी का rotation नहीं होना चाहिए. Rest of the letters should be same as picture 5 except A, E, U, right? और anti clockwise rotation करना है मेरे को. I want them to get rotated एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, राइट? एंटी क्लॉकवाइज में रोटेट करना है. तो कैन आई से दैट दिस विल बी द पोजीशन ऑफ ए ये डायरेक्शन में होना चाहिए, एम आई राइट? एंड दिस विल बी द डायरेक्शन ऑफ यू. तो पहले दो ही लेटर के बारे में बात करते हैं. तो ई एलिमिनेट हो जाएगा, डी विल ऑल्सो बी गेटिंग एलिमिनेटेड, राइट? सॉरी, ओके सॉरी, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज रोटेशन है. इट इज एन एंटी क्लॉकवाइज रोटेशन गाइज, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज रोटेशन है. सो यू का ये बनना चाहिए, एम आई राइट? दिस शुड बी द फिगर ऑफ यू. सो सी स्ट्रेट अवे एलिमिनेट हो जाएगा. ए, बी, डी और ई सबके अंदर यू का रोटेशन सही है. एंड इफ आई लुक एट द लेटर ए गाइस, राइट? ए को अगर मुझे 90 डिग्री एंटी क्लॉकवाइज रोटेशन करना है, इफ आई हैव टू रोटेट इट एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, सो दिस हैज टू बी द पोजीशन ऑफ द लेटर ए. लेटर ए इस तरह से होना चाहिए, एम आई राइट? So on the basis of this, you can eliminate option number E, right? And you also know one more thing, किसी और letter का rotation नहीं होना चाहिए, right? No other letter should be rotated. So which option you can eliminate now? See that? E का अगर हम बात करें, if you look at E, E should be like this, right? इसका anti-clockwise rotation करना है, so it should be like this, right? Okay, in A, B and D guys, A, B और D के अंदर A, E and U, all three are exactly at the same position. So that means इस question को answer करने के लिए I need to look at the rest of the letters. बाकी कोई letter का rotation नहीं होना चाहिए. First letter, option A will get eliminated because H का rotation हो रहा है. H is a consonant, ये rotation नहीं होना चाहिए. B के अंदर, if you look at Z का rotation हो रहा है, ये Z का रोटेशन नहीं होना चाहिए. Z is a consonant. So answer would be D option guys. D would be the correct answer. Everybody clear with this? Yes or no? Are you guys with me? Correct. Perfect. Perfect. Now guys, let's go for the next question number 4. Come on, go for it. Comment your answers. Figure number 4. Observe. This is a kind of a figure of series. This is having 5 pictures, right? Where there is no rotation. In fact, there is a shifting of elements. This is a kind of question जिसमें elements का rotation नहीं हो रहा है. कुछ mirror या water image नहीं बनता हुआ दिख रहा है. But there is shifting in the position of the element. So आपको वही shifting observe करनी है, किस pattern में shifting हो रहा है, right? So we have done question on water image, mirror image पे भी कर लिया हमने, water image पे भी किया. Then we have seen a picture जिसमें letters का rotation हो रहा था clockwise direction, anti-clockwise direction में. Here there is a shifting of pictures guys, right? Come on, go for it. Pictures का shifting हो रहा है. How will you solve this type of question now? What will be the answer? क्या answer होना चाहिए? I guess this is quite easy. Yes. Correct. B seems to be the right answer of the question. You can see that here. This element has been taken to this position here. And the next figure, this is again shifted to this. In the third case, right? 3rd to 4 में ये यहाँ पे जा रहा है. And you see that when I'm moving from 1 to 2, जो picture सबसे top corner पे, right? Left hand side पे, that picture is getting eliminated. So can I say 4 से 5 में जाने पे ये eliminate हो जाएगा और F will be positioned over here, right? तो 5 से 6 में अगर मैं जाऊंगा तो F will be eliminated and this will be positioned over here. F नहीं होना चाहिए मेरे फिगर के अंदर, right? F नहीं होना चाहिए, so D and E are straight away eliminated. और टॉप कॉर्नर पे ये सिंबल होना चाहिए, so this is also eliminated. I am left with option A and B. And ये पोजीशन यहाँ शिफ्ट होनी चाहिए और यहाँ नया एलिमेंट आना चाहिए, राइट? सो A is also eliminated because इसमें ये मूव नहीं कर रहा है. So answer would be B option. B is the correct answer, right? This was a shifting of elements, guys, shifting of objects. Solve this question, guys. Come on, go for it. This is a figure where elements are exchanging the position, right? And you have to observe in what pattern the positions are being exchanged. किस पैटर्न के अंदर positions का आपस में exchange हो रहा है बच्चों? Go for it. Comment your answers. Very good. Perfect. You see that here? Observe it. What is happening when I'm moving from picture 1 to 2? ये दोनों elements आपस में exchange हो रहे हैं. 2 से 3 में ये दोनों आपस में exchange नहीं हुए, लेकिन 3 से 4 में ये दोनों आपस में exchange हुए. So can I say 4 से 5 में ये नहीं होंगे? So 5 से 6 में जाओगे तो ये दोनों आपस में exchange होने चाहिए. Am I right? So ये sign ये corner पे आना चाहिए. Everybody clear with this? तो ये साइन इस कॉर्नर पे कहां पे है? तो ये ऑप्शन ई डी पी ए सब एलिमिनेट हो जाएगा. विल गो विद ऑप्शन सी गाइस, राइट? एम आई राइट गाइस? आई डोंट नीड टू सी एनीथिंग एल्स, राइट गाइस? हमेशा ऑल्टरनेट चला करो, सारा पूरा पैटर्न निकालने की जरूरत नहीं होती है. लेट्स से दैट इफ आई एम नॉट गेटिंग द आंसर विद दिस शिफ्टिंग, देन आई विल ऑब्जर्व समथिंग एल्स. अगर एक ही शिफ्टिंग में मेरा आंसर हो रहा है और ऑप्शन एलिमिनेट हो रही है, then I'll be wasting my time to see कि ये elements का आपस में कैसे exchange हो रहा है, right? That will be a complete wastage of time. So you first observe one shifting of the elements, try to answer with that shifting of elements. If you are not reaching to that answer, then go for additional information. Otherwise, आप उसी पे ही answer कर सकते हो और आप time अपना save कर सकते हो. Got it? Now guys, this is a new type of abstract reasoning. So we have seen shifting, right, in objects. Position shifting हमने देख लिया, position exchange हमने देख लिया, mirror image, water image हमने देख लिया, letters हमने देख लिए. These are the geometrical figures, right, based abstract reasoning, जिसमें geometry के कुछ figures आपको दिए, and you have to see the relations between 2 or 3 adjacent pictures, how these two are related or how these 3 are related, right? And when you are solving a geometrical object, right, geometry based कोई भी आप geometry object based आपको कोई भी दिया abstract reasoning में, you should always try to look at the number of the sides of the polygon, guys. Number of sides of the polygon देखो, and try to find out the relationship in terms of number of sides of the polygon. That would be happening in most of the questions of abstract reasoning जिसमें geometry के आपके कुछ figures दिए हुए हैं. I would like you to first try this question and then I will see this. We'll have a discussion on the solution. Come on, go for it guys. What is the answer of the question? Some of you are saying A, some of you are saying C, D. Okay. So this guys, look at ये polygon में, you see that the polygon outside this circle has 5 sides. The polygon inside the circle has 3 sides. The difference between 5 and 3 is 2. And in the next figure, the whole circle is divided into 2 parts. Yes? Then you see that the polygon outside of this circle has how many sides? It's an octagon. It has 8 sides. The polygon inside the circle has 4 sides. Difference between 8 and 4 is 4. So in the next figure, the circle is divided into 4 parts. So when I'm moving from 5 to 6, the polygon outside the circle is having 6 sides. This is having 3 sides. Difference between 6 and 3 is 3. So यहाँ पे circle 3 parts में divide होना चाहिए, right? I need a circle division in 3 parts. सर्कल के 3 पार्ट होने चाहिए, तो द ओनली फिगर इज ऑप्शन सी जिसमें सर्कल के 3 पार्ट्स हो रहे हैं. सो सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर ऑफ द क्वेश्चन गाइस. गॉट इट? This is the way to solve the question guys, right? Now let's go for the next one. Come on, same geometry based question hai. Go for it, try this, comment your answers quickly. I'll give you only 30 seconds to answer the question now. Try this. Comment your answers. Right. So guys, you can see that here the figure inside the triangle is having 3 sides, and the figure adjacent to it, the picture adjacent to it is also having 3 sides, right? Is being divided into 3 parts. ये पूरा circle 3 parts में divide हो रहा है, right? Here I have an hexagon, and this is being this is having an inside figure which is having 4 sides. हेक्सागन के अंदर 4 साइडेड पॉलीगन है, तो दैट मींस इस पिक्चर में हेक्सागन को 4 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना है. इसलिए पिक्चर ए के अंदर 4 पार्ट्स का डिवीजन हो रहा है, इसमें सर्कल का डिवीजन हो रहा है, ये एलिमिनेट हो जाएगा. सी में राइट ये 5 पार्ट्स में है, तो ये भी एलिमिनेट है. इसमें 3 पार्ट्स में हो रहा है, तो ये भी एलिमिनेट. 1 2 3 4 5 6, इसमें 6 पार्ट्स में, राइट? आई नीड द डिवीजन ऑफ हेक्सागन इन 4 पार्ट्स. आई कैन टेक द हिंट फ्रॉम हियर. यहाँ सर्कल के 3 पार्ट्स हुए, राइट? 3 डिफरेंट रीजन्स बन रहे हैं बिकॉज द पॉलीगन इनसाइड इट हैज 3 साइड्स. सो सिमिलरली हियर इट विल बी हैविंग 4, राइट? 4 पार्ट्स. सो आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए. दिस इज द करेक्ट आंसर ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. लेट मी टेक यू थ्रू वन मोर क्वेश्चन ऑन दिस गाइस. गो फॉर इट, गिव इट अ ट्राई. Comment your answers guys, come on, go for it. What are the answers you are getting? Comment it. Okay, again answer. You can see that here this triangle has 3 sides, and this circle has total how many parts? This is divided into 6 parts, right? So this is having total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 parts. So can I say the figure inside it, राइट? यहाँ पे 4 साइडेड पॉलीगन होना चाहिए. ये 6 पार्ट्स थे तो यहाँ 3 साइडेड पॉलीगन है, यहाँ 8 पार्ट्स है तो 4 साइडेड पॉलीगन होना चाहिए. 4 साइडेड पॉलीगन चाहिए, राइट? सो दीज ऑप्शंस विल बी एलिमिनेटेड. बी वुड बी द करेक्ट आंसर द क्वेश्चन गाइस, राइट? ओके, वन मोर क्वेश्चन हियर फॉर यू which is a letter based question. इसमें लेटर्स आपको दिए हुए हैं बच्चों. ऑब्जर्व इट and try to find out the answer guys. Tell me what is the answer. Not all letter based questions will be based on consonant and vowels, right? Sometimes you need to see which position of the element is getting changed, right? Or some letter has been replaced by some other letters. Comment your answer guys, come on, tell me what is the answer. Observe carefully what is the difference when what is the change that is happening when I move from picture 1 to picture 2. Picture 1 से picture 2 में जाने पे you can clearly see that the O, T, E, I, H, A, M, S everything is same. U has been replaced by V. So U alphabet has been increased by 1 add करके next letter आपने लिखा. 2 से 3 में जा रहे हो, everything else is same, only O has been replaced by Q. So that is you are adding 2 to this value. When you're moving from 3 to 4, everything else is same. E to H, this letter is plus 3, right? And when I'm moving from 4 to 5, you see that I plus 4. So all the letters, right? U, O, E, all of these are vowels, right? The next vowel is A. So can I say it should be A plus 5? So A plus 5 should be which letter guys? A plus 5 कौन सा आएगा? A में 5 ऐड करोगे तो कौन सा आएगा? Tell me, H आएगा. So can I straight away go with option D? Yes or no? Is it clear, everybody? H आएगा या F आएगा? E, F, G, third letter आपने लिखा है यहाँ पे, right? A is 5, 5 plus 3, 8. A is 1, 1 plus 5, 6. Sixth position पे कौन सा आता है? Sixth position पे F आएगा बच्चों, right? It would be F, sorry. It would be F, so answer would be C option, right? Answer would be C option. 1 plus 5, 6 होता है. You see that? 5 plus 3, 8, H, 8 हो रहा है. I is 4, 4, I is 9, 9 plus 4, 13, M is 13. That's an alphanumeric value of M, right? 13 is an alphanumeric value of M. 9 is an alphanumeric value of I. 9 plus 4, 13. So A is 1, 1 plus 5, 6. 6 will be F. So therefore C would be the correct answer, right? All right, let me quickly take you through one more question, guys. Come on, go for it. This one is a question number 10. Tell me what is the answer to the question here. Observe carefully. Again, a shifting of elements, guys, shifting of objects. Students who are willing to go for MBACET exam preparation, guys, we have made a separate group and we are going to do a complete 40 days free course of Maharashtra CET. 100% syllabus of Maharashtra CET will be discussed. Reasoning ability will be discussed on YouTube session. Quant section will be discussed on Unacademy special classes. I have already taken 8 sessions of quantitative aptitude. Links will be given to you in the description part of the video as well as in the WhatsApp group that we have made, right? WhatsApp group का link मैं इस description part में डाल दूंगा. Please join it if you are willing to go for Maharashtra CET exam preparation. Time pass करना है तो फिर मत join करना, right? Sessions में नहीं आना, live नहीं आना है, right? तो फिर नहीं join करना, right? अगर seriously preparation करना है, सारे sessions live attend करने हैं Unacademy की special classes में as well as reasoning ability के session में, only then you can join it. Practice sheets will also be uploaded in the WhatsApp group, guys, right? Now in this figure, guys, you can clearly see that. You can clearly see that what is happening, how the elements are getting shifted here, right? कौन से elements यहाँ पे shift हो रहे हैं? You just need to see that. Okay. Can you see this here? Can you see this here? This element, right? If you look at this element has been shifted over here, and this element has been shifted over here, right? इन दोनों का आपस में exchange हो रहा है बच्चों, right? I can clearly see that. 2 से 3 में अगर मैं जा रहा हूँ, no. 1 से 2 में अगर मैं गया, when I'm moving from 1 to 2, no, right, that's wrong. When I'm moving from 1 to 2, right, this has been shifted over here, okay? 2 to 3, again, this has been shifted over here. 3 to 4, this is shifted over here. 4 to 5, this is shifted here. 5 to 6, this must be shifted over here. That means ये जो middle में यहाँ पे जो figure आना चाहिए वो ये होना चाहिए, right? So ये option eliminate हो रहा है, ये भी eliminate हो गया, right? This is also getting eliminated, ये भी eliminate हो गया, ये figure यहाँ आना चाहिए, तो D would be the correct answer to the question, guys, right? That's it, guys. Thank you so much for joining the session. This was the first session of abstract reasoning. More session will be taken on abstract reasoning. You guys need any assistance in your exam preparation, right? कोई भी आपको help चाहिए, you need guidance, you can take my mentorship. You need to first book your slot by calling at this number, right, for your mentorship program. And the whole course of Maharashtra CET will be covered here, guys, right? You guys can follow this playlist and you can subscribe the channel, share it with all of your friends, like the video, comment on the video so that it can reach to the largest number of people, right? Maximum number of people. Thank you so much. See you in the next part. Tomorrow again, we'll be taking one more session, right? Quant will be happening on Unacademy special classes. Reasoning will be happening on YouTube session, guys, right? So accordingly, you can take all these classes. Compiled link will be uploaded in the WhatsApp group. Thank you. See you in the next session, guys. Take care.